If you want to charge other devices using your OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So, if the other device can be charged wirelessly, if your other device supports wireless charging, then in this case we can go to settings on our OnePlus 15, open battery, in here scroll down and go to charging settings, and you should be able to find reverse wireless charging. We can wirelessly charge other devices when we enable this option, and if we have enough battery, which we can adjust over here, we can place our other device on top of the OnePlus 15 like this. And in this case, of course, the other device, like I said, has to support wireless charging. If it doesn't, then naturally you cannot wirelessly charge the other device like this. But if you don't have wireless charging on the other device, and if you still want to charge it, then in this case you can actually use a USB cable, USB-C to be exact. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a USB-C cable in this case, and of course we need to connect two devices together. So I'm gonna plug it in over here. Let me actually use this side. So we're gonna plug it in to our OnePlus 15, and then we're gonna use other phone, and we're gonna plug it in like this. And there's a chance that first you will start charging your OnePlus 15 instead. So what you're gonna do is you want to go to notifications and find the charging notification. We want to open it, and we need to switch to reverse charging. And there we go. This is how it works. And that is pretty much it. You should be able to easily charge other devices using one of these two methods. The reverse wireless charging supports 10 watts of charging, and the wired method supports 5 watts of charging. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.